So you want to game on your PC but Wi-Fi range in your room is quite poor, or there is only your mobile data through which you can connect to the internet. In this video I'll show you a simple solution which many of us don't know about that will solve the problem of slow speeds and poor ping on mobile hotspot or just using your phone as a Wi-Fi range extender. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you do end up liking this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And now let's get back to the video. So if you are getting good Wi-Fi range on your phone but your PC is struggling to even connect to it, or maybe you are getting good speeds on your mobile but on hotspot it fluctuates a lot, then all you need is a USB cable and a setting on your phone to fix this issue. Firstly, connect your phone via USB cable to your PC and then connect it to your Wi-Fi or switch on the mobile data as per your situation. Now all you got to do is open up the settings and search for USB tethering. Now enable USB tethering and there you go. Your PC will show connected to internet via LAN and internet speeds and ping will be much better. So I have personally used this trick while playing Valorant on my PC, and if I connect to Wi-Fi directly, I used to get 150 to 200 ms ping, and now I get 50 ms ping constantly, which in my opinion is a huge improvement. So I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.